Let's face it, nobody likes rust. Nobody ever said, "Hey, nice rust." All rust does is make your toilets, sinks, and baths look like somebody yacked in them. Even worse, makes your whole laundry look like you had a big whoops. So what are you coddling your rust for? Got rust? Get Super Iron Out. It safely removes rust without scrubbing or abrasives. Obliterates rust. In baths, white laundry, dishwashers, water softeners, even outdoors. Rust never sleeps. It just keeps sneaking up, ready to stain, waiting to corrode. So bust rust right in the chops with Super Iron Out. Go to superironout.com for more info and money-saving coupons on all Super Iron Out products. Automatic toilet bowl cleaner, new liquid, and Super Iron Out outdoor. So kick rust right in the Super Iron Out, the world's #1 rust stain remover at your favorite retailer.